Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how teachers can provide information as it relates to assisting students in signing up for an Edmodo account. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start this tutorial off by typing Edmodo in our search engine. Once that comes up, we're going to click Edmodo. Then it will take us to the home page or the login page or sign up page. Once you're there, you're going to scroll down and then click sign up for a free account. Next, you're going to click student account. Once we have done that, it will take us to this page and we are going to fill in the required information. Now the class code that you're seeing on the screen, you're going to type it in. Of course, the teacher will give you your class code or give the students a class code for them to utilize, and that is it for the reference of this video. Next, after you finish with that page, you're going to come to this page. So what you're going to be required to do now is to fill in first name, last name, and date of birth, and ensure that it's not an alias and it's the student's actual name. Next, the last screen of registration would be to type in parent number or email address. And that is how you sign up for Edmodo as a student. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.